Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to look into list. List is nothing but one of the collection we have in Python. So when it comes to list, we we use using this square brackets. It is like similar to our array. So let's create one sample list and look into it. So this is how you can, let's give some random values like, yeah. So this is how we can create the list. And here when it comes to array, we have one restriction, like if we are creating array we need to keep all the similar type of data types, but when it comes to list you don't have that restriction. You can use integers or strings. Let's say I'm using Python, and let's say let me take one float value. So this is how you can create the list. So when it comes, and one thing about the list, let's say you wanted to print the list, you can just simply print using print of here, then you can print it the list accordingly. So let's say instead of that you wanted to type like, if you don't know, or if you are getting confused, like, because this is the one of the confusion which happens when it comes to Python collections, where as we have multiple collections in Python, that a list, set, dictionary, and also one of the easier way to, this is the one of the easier way to find out is if you give type of that particular list name, whatever you have given. So if you give the type, it will give what type of data type it is. So this is how we can define the list. And now when it comes to accessing the list, you can access using the indexes. So let's say you wanted to access the first element. So here the index starts from 0, so 34 in 0, this is in 1, 2 and 3, it goes like that. So let's say if you wanted to access the first element, this is how you can access. So this is what we have in a of 0. Let's say you wanted to access 3, so this is how you can. And another option also we have, like, you can access using the range as well. Let's say you wanted to access the elements from here to till Python, so in that case also you can just give, so it will give like starting position from here to 4. So basically it will give 4 minus uh, n minus 1 we can consider, like till here it will give the values for us. And here one more thing also we have, that here when it comes to positive index, when we are accessing from left to right, index starts from 0, but when it comes to, if we are wanted to access from right to left, that also we can do. In such case it starts from minus 1. Let's say you wanted to access the last element, so this is how you can access. A of minus 1 means it will give the last element. A of minus 4, it is gonna give you the first element. So this is how you can access the variables here. So this is all about list and accessing the list, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Let's meet in the next video.